Ciao Tesla people! Today we're going to do an unboxing and an installation of a new product, and this is the product from HaloBLK. Are the alloy pedals for the Model Y Juniper. Hopefully they fit the performance. I think so, but we'll see. So I have the alloy pedals over there because this is the performance, but I wanted to improve it with this new HaloBLK alloy pedals. So on the site they have a bunch of discounts this week, and beside the halo discs, which I'm waiting for the performance, they have a bunch of other products, and here are the alloy pedal. So I picked the one that have the sign on and off, and then there are plain, and then also there are these other ones that says pause games and insert coin, which are pretty funny. And they have these pedals for all-day cars, okay? So for Model 3, Model 3 Highland, Model Y, the Juniper, Model S, and Model X, okay? So you can pick any. And they're not too expensive. They're actually are pretty cheap, 37 euros. I'm not sure in dollar, maybe 40 bucks, something like that. So it's a pretty cool accessory. So let's do the unboxing and let's see what's inside the box, and then we'll do the installation, okay? The installation should be pretty straightforward. So this box, HaloBLK always have some very cool packaging. And the other thing that I like, and they show the design, how they reach that kind of product, which is pretty cool. I love this type of stuff. So the pedals are here, and they show the back and how their profile. Very cool. I like this. So some literature here. So the pedals, and they show you how to install it. Okay, the clips. They have clips this to fit most pedals. Okay, and that's how you insert it. From top, first to the top, and then the bottom, okay? And they have a clip on the side. Very cool. And let's go on the other side. And this is in Chinese, but here the instructions are in English, okay? So let's keep this if something happens. So the from attachment recommendation. Now, if the pedals are too big or they fit a bit odd or funny, they included these pads that you attach it to the bottom of the pedals so they can fit correctly, okay? Which is very cool. So they can adapt to different pedals on Tesla cars, okay? And there's a certificate, okay? Very cool. And these are the pedals. This is the accelerator, on and off. Very cool. And this is the back. So if there is any issues, not issues, but you need to fit it correctly, here they show you where to put these pads, okay, on top here, on the bottom, and this is the clip, okay? You see, it comes out. You can see it from here, okay? So you first put the top, and then the bottom, and this clips in the pedal, okay? Let's hope that everything goes well. And this is the brake, which is larger, of course. Sorry for the heating that you hear, but here it's very cold and it snowed around the mountains very close by, so it's pretty chilly. So this is the pedals. Are very, very cool. And this again the system that clips in. Okay, so let's do the installation. Let's do the I give it a clean. Let's do first the accelerator, and then we'll do the brakes. Let's move I'll keep the instruction close by, and these pads if necessary, so I can put them on. Okay, so let's get out. And as you see, I have the mats from HaloBLK. So let me put you here. So it should be a good spot to see what's going on. So since I have the performance, these ones were already in. These are usually the ones that other people from Model Y, Model 3 install. And I have by default, because this is a Juniper performance, okay? I had the same ones in the Model Y performance legacy, okay, the previous one. So these ones from HaloBLK, they don't go on top, of course, but they replace these ones, okay? And I'm not sure why I thought I could put this one on top of it. But anyway, so let's test them. And that's it. Oh my God, that's the installation. To take off this one, there was a pin. To put this on are a breeze. And since there is the lock system on the side, it's super easy to remove it. Oops, sorry. That's it. So you slide it in. Right there. Sorry. And that's it. So let's install this other one. Okay. I mean, compared to the ones that I just removed there, that's it. I don't need any pad. There is no play. Yeah. And they look super cool. Look at them. Off and on. Love them. And they have a larger surface, if you see. Like maybe it's half a centimeter wider and probably 1 centimeter, 1.5, here even 2 centimeter higher, which is good. And the accelerator is also larger, much larger than the previous one. So these are from the performance OEM, and this one from HaloBLK. On and off, love them. Very cool. And I like that there is this rubber, so you have much more surface to engage both accelerator and the brake. Fantastic. Took a bit of time to take it off, these guys. But these are very, very cool. So again, sponsor is HaloBLK. I'll leave a link in the description. So if you want to buy them, they're not too expensive. I didn't need to use the adapter here. Maybe some other cars need it. I'm not sure. But the look is very cool. Look at that. Very nice. So again, HaloBLK for the win for another time. So I'm going to leave all the link in the description so you can check them out. They have discount right now, so you can go to the site and see them. Love it. So check out my Tesla referral. If you buy Tesla, use my referral code, you can get a discount. And I think they have some discounts for FSD and other things in various countries. So check them out. HaloBLK alloy pedals, link in the description. And also, thank you for watching the video. And I'll see you on next one. And please leave a like, subscribe to the notification, share it, comment, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.